Hello everybody, it's Christmas, we're faffing around. Now this really is the perfect faffy project. I've made quite a lot of these and quite a lot of the team here have made a lot. These are perfect. Little Trimits, make your own felt Christmas decorations and they're just fabulous. So I've made a gingerbread house. I am not the best sewer. So my sewing is not perfect. I've made it up as I go along. I've made a gingerbread house. We have a little hot chocolate cup, a Norwegian star. And then I haven't made this. I think Helen may have made this in the shop. And this is how cute is he, little rocking horse. We have lots and lots and lots of different types of these. So have a look. They are only $2.99 each. And honestly, they are such a lovely way to while away a couple of hours. I did become a little bit obsessed with these when we first got them in. I've enjoyed it so much. But let me show you what's in the kit. So they come in their own little brown packaging. They're $2.99 each. Let me open this one up. I'll show you what's inside. So each kit comes with the felt pieces that you need. So this is the Christmas pudding with his little custard or brandy cream. I like mine with brandy cream. I don't know about you. So it comes with, got the instructions. The instructions are really, really, really simple. You will adorn the brandy cream first, and then you sew it together, and then you add the embellishments. And like I say, it does contain everything. So there's your instructions. That's your stuffing for the end. That's your felt pieces. Little bits of holly there to go on it as well. That's the ribbon and the thread that you will need. And then in here should be the needle, some little berries, and then a plastic needle if you don't want to be using the sharp needle. I've used the sharp needle for everything, but that plastic needle is perfect to go through the felt. And they are so, so simple and such a joy to make. You will really enjoy them. Merry Christmas!